country. It has different magnificent and mysterious historical places. Among all of these historical places, a very beautiful historical place and city, it is Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also called a pink city. This pink city, which was constructed by Savai Raja Jaisi. A visit to the pink city is not complete unless one explores the marvel that is Amer Fort, Amer Kila. Today I will tell you about the mysterious historical facts of Amer Fort, Kila of Amer. Now these facts which are very beneficial for the project work which will be given by me. Now I am going to explain and giving some historical mysterious facts about the Amer Fort. The Amer Fort was originally built by Raja Mansingh. Jaisi first expanded this Amer Fort in the early 1800s. This Amer Fort, Amer Ka Kila, it is also known as Amer Ka Kila ya Amer Fort, which is situated in Amer, Rajasthan. Now, the Amer Fort that was originally built by Minas and later it was ruled by Raja Man Singh from 1550 to 1614. Amer Fort is known for its imaginative Hindu design elements with its large ramparts and collection of gates and the big pass. The fort overlooks Mayota Lake, which is a major source of water for the Amer Palace. Now, when we talk about the architectural style of Amer Fort, the structure has 4 different parts, each with a separate entrance. The main entry to the fort is through the Suraj Pole, or we can say the Sun Gate, which opens up into the main courtyard. This east-facing gate is also the main entrance to the palace, and its position with respect to the rising sun is the source of its name. One more about the Jalab Chowk. The Jalab Chowk is one of the 4 courtyards of the Amer Palace. The Sila Devi temple is right at the entrance to the main palace grounds. The second courtyard of this fort is famous for its Diwan-e-Aam, public audience hall, and then the Sheesh Mahal and the Sukh Mahal. A very famous attraction here is the magic flower. This is a famous attraction here, the magic flower. And now this is a fresco carved out of marble. It is made of marble basically. Now the nearby the tourist attractions of Amer Fort, Jaigarh Fort, Aravalli Hills and Vizaggarh. Generally in Amer Fort, the foreign tourists, they come to the Amer Fort because of see this magnificent and historical monument and seeing their architectural style of Amer Fort. This is a great tourist attraction point, Amer Fort. Not only the Amer Fort, the Jheel, the lake of this Rajasthan state, Chittor Fort, Ranthambore Fort, the other forts are also there. These all forts and the Jal Mahal of Rajasthan state, these all are the attraction point of tourists. Jaigarh Fort, Aravalli Hills and Vizaggarh are the main attraction points for tourist purpose. This Amer Fort or palace is a beautiful structure that was built by Raja Man Singh in the 16th century. And now when we go to the Amer Fort to see this beauty, so now it's my session to my all the tourists and viewers, those are watching my videos, please to check out the Sheesh Mahal also, Diwan-e-Aam, Sukh Mahal also. And here don't miss the ride of Royal Elephants, a very main and great attraction point for the tourist purpose. Now this is the main top tourist attraction in Jaipur, Amer Fort. The palace, the rich, is having the rich history, abundance history, combined with the scenic beauty of its location, attracts visitors. Those are coming from all over the world. It was also designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort is also a favorite destination for Bollywood filmmakers to shoot the movies, the different movies like Jodha Akbar, Bajirao Mastani, Bhool Bhulaiya, and many more. So now we can visit that beautiful and historical and magnificent fort and the place. We can visit to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan. A very beautiful place, this Amer Fort, and now this Amer Fort is known for its architectural style, for its scenic beauty, and for the tourist attraction purposes. I hope so all of you understood, all of you took the interest in my explanation about Amer Fort. So now it's my humble request to my all viewers, please subscribe my channel Digital Education by Meenakshi Kaushik. If you are subscribing to my channel, that will motivate to me to make the different educational videos based on historical facts, based on Indian history, and based on world history. So I will give you the maximum historical facts and maximum knowledgeable information about not only the Indian history but also the world history. So please subscribe my channel Digital Education. Thank you.